If you love peanuts and you want to enjoy them in a brand new way, then check out this amazing peanut chutney. First, I'm going to saute these peanuts. Once they're nice and toasty, set that aside, and then in the same pan, add some more coconut oil, and then we'll saute some of these aromatics that are in the base. Some dried red chilies, some cumin seeds, onions, and garlic. You're gonna add this to a food processor along with the peanuts from earlier. Add the soaked piece of tamarind, some water, and some salt. And blend it until it's either coarse or super smooth. And then it's time to finish this off. And this is what makes it super aromatic, because we are tempering the peanut chutney. The curry leaves, mustard seeds, and the red chilies add so much to this chutney. Just add that over the finished and blended peanut chutney from earlier, and this is now yours to have. And this will be great with idlis, dosas, or my South Indian upma recipe.